Namaste. Welcome to class 2 virtual classes conducted by N. Papson Kaski. It's me, your science teacher. Today I am here to teach you the next topic, that is unit number 4, materials around us. So before entering to the topic, let's learn about some objectives of today's class. Okay, students, objectives are the main things. Okay, from this lesson what we are going to learn. Okay, so some of the general objectives I would like to explain. Your students will able to classify the materials found in our surrounding on the basis of their shape, color, odor or taste. Okay, we can easily identify which is object, either it is solid or either it is liquid or it is soft or hard. Okay, and students will able to identify the solid of various kinds of shape, such as spherical shape, circle shape, rectangular shape and irregular shape. Clear? You are going to learn in our today's class. And also we can easily learn about the which object is hard and which object is soft. We are going to learn in today's class. Okay, and also we can use our sense organ to determine the following object or any objects by smelling, by tasting, by touching or by seeing. These are the some general objectives of today's class. Okay, so within a delay, let's start our class. Okay, we see different things around us. Okay, we see various kinds of things around us with the help of our eyes. Yes, we identify them because they are different from each other. All the objects around us are different. For example, this duster is different. This duster has different color. This marker, okay, this marker have different shape and size. Okay, this book have different shape and size, and this pen. Okay, so all have different shape and size and different from others. Okay, they could not be matched each other. Okay, they all are same? No, we can't say the all objects are same. It is very difficult to identify if two objects are exactly same. Okay, if two objects are exactly same, isn't it? Yes. Okay, for example, this coal. Have you seen coal? Coal means koila. The coal is black in color, and chalk, which we will write in a black board, that chalk color is white. Yes. So butter is soft and what? Stone is hard. These are some objects of their different matter. Okay. So let's learn about today's main topic. How do you identify the following surrounding things? How do you identify the surrounding objects? So I would like to give you some example and you will find, okay, you will able to find which object it is. Okay, for example, I have here marble. Okay, have you ever played marble? This is a marble. This is a marble. So we have a perfume. Okay, this is a one bottle of perfume. Perfume means what? You know? Scent bhaन्छौं. Perfume. Ripe banana are some examples. So you will determine this object. Okay, you will identify the object whether by seeing it or by touching it or smelling it or tasting it. Yes? Yes or no? Firstly, we identify marble. How could we identify marble? By seeing it. Okay, we can easily identify seeing it. Okay, we can identify the marble by what? Seeing it. And perfume, look here, perfume. We can identify perfume by smelling it. Okay, if somebody spray the perfume in a body or in the room, then we can easily smell it. We can easily identify it. Okay, in your home, if your mother cook a delicious food such as meat, okay, so we easily identify what are cooking in our kitchen. Okay, that delicious food can be identified by smelling it. Okay, and this ripe banana, how can we identify it? Okay, there are two types of banana. One is ripe and another is raw. What is the difference between raw and ripe? Understood? Raw means काचो हुन्छ, very के हुन्छ, भर्खरै पाक्न लागेको हुन्छ भने ripe means पाकेको हुन्छ. Okay, if they both are in green in color, so how can we identify it? यदि दुईटै हरियो कलरमा छ भने कसरी पत्ता लगाउनु त? Okay, we can identify either touching it. Okay, if we toss that ripe banana, then it easily what? It is easily can be felt. हामीलाई के हुन्छ, थाहा हुन्छ. But that raw banana is very hard. It is very soft. यो के हुन्छ, soft हुन्छ. Okay, these kinds. Okay, perfume we can identify by smelling. This can be identified by touching. Same here, touching. Okay, so to identify the surrounding object, either we have to see it, smell it, touch it, feel it. These are could be possible only if we have sense organ. Okay, we have 5 main sense organ. Okay, we have what? 5 main sense organ. So what are the sense organ? What are they? We have eye. Okay, what is the function of eye? Eye have to see the surrounding objects. We can see lots of things around us. Okay, so eye have to see. Okay, you can see what I have written in the whiteboard. You can see me as well. That is the function of your eye. Imagine if you do not have eye, then you could not see me. Okay, so you could not see the surrounding object. This beautiful world you cannot see and feel it. So eye is very important, and I request all my dear students, please take care of your eye. It is very sensitive. Okay, it is also a very important part of your body. Okay, so another sense organ is nose. So nose helps. The function of nose is to smell. How could you find out the perfume? By smelling it. Okay, and nose help to smell. Through the nose we can smell. So another is tongue. Okay, tongue help to taste. Tongue help to taste. Okay, if we eat chili, then what? Tongue determine it, that is what? Very spicy. Okay, if we eat sugar, that is very sweet. Okay, that is very sweet. These are the function of tongue. Okay, so another is what? Sense organ. Ear. Ear have to listen. Okay, ear have to listen. What I have taught you or what I am saying to you, you have to listen with the help of ear. Okay, so last one, the sense organ is skin. Skin has to feel. Okay, skin has to what? Feel. Okay, whether the object or some things is hot or cold, the skin helps to feel. So these are the 5 main sense organ which our body function daily. Okay, so now we can easily identify the surrounding objects by seeing it or by touching it, by tasting it or by smelling it with our sense organ. Now you can easily find it. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic, that is materials have different shape. Okay, materials have different shape. Okay, all the materials around you have different shape. Okay, so let's see some example. Okay, I would like to show you some materials around me. Okay, I have here duster. Okay, what is the shape of this duster? The shape of this duster is rectangular. Okay, the shape of this duster is rectangular. Understood? So, what is the shape of this marker? Look, you have read in class math as well. The shape of this marker is cylindrical shape, or you can say cylinder. Okay, cylindrical shape macha. So there are various types of shape. Okay, so some of the examples are follows. I would like to give you some example. You will just identify the following shape. Okay, I would like to give here. This is the shape of book. Okay, shape of book. This is the shape of ball. Okay, so this is a coin. Okay, this is coin. This is ring. Okay, look at the following object in the figure and determine their shape. I will give some option to you and just determine the shape of the following object. Okay, so option here are, I will write here, rectangular, spherical, irregular, and with shape circular. Okay, circular. I would like to make, here we have stone. Okay, so now I think you will easily identify the shape of the book. What is the shape of the book? The shape of this book is what? Rectangular. So you can write here, it is rectangular. What is the shape of the ball? Most of the students are confused about the spherical and circular. Okay, spherical means they are completely round. Okay, spherical भनेको के हो? एउटा ball. Have you ever seen ball? Okay, that is spherical. That is what? That is spherical. Okay, have you ever seen cone? Sorry, coin है. Coin देख्नु भएको छ? Coin के हुन्छ? Circular हुन्छ. Have you ever seen a ring? What is the shape of the ring? The shape of the ring is circular. I think you have seen stone everywhere. Okay, what is the shape of the stone? The shape of the stone is irregular. Irregular means it do not have fixed shape. Just like book have rectangular shape, ball has spherical shape, okay, and coin have circular shape. All the objects have fixed shape, but this stone do not have any shape. Fixed geometrical shape, which we have read in math as well. Okay, rectangle, triangle, cone, square, these all are the geometrical shape which are fixed, but these stone do not have any fixed shape. That's why the stone are regarded as an irregular shape. We are going to discuss it in our class as well. Okay, so let's move on to another topic. Let's move on to another topic, that is, now we are easily write the spherical shape examples. So what are the spherical shape examples? Yes, ball. We can write TT ball. Earth is also example of spherical shape. Moon, etc. है स्पेरिकल सेपको इक्जाम्पल के छ बल टिटी बल अर्थ मून दिज आर सम इक्जाम्पल अफ स्पेरिकल सेप okay this is very important in term of exam so please learn it okay so another is circular shape circular means round okay like ring coin and examples do you know students yes bangle others tire good these are the some example of circular shape rectangular shape को भन्नुस् त okay book table this whiteboard also example of rectangular shape you can say write board bed लेनुस् त हजुरहरु सुत्ने बेड पनि रेक्टेंगुलर शेपमा छ ओके सो सी दिस आर द एक्जाम्पल अफ रेक्टेंगुलर शेप ओके नेक्स्ट इज इरेगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट व्हिच आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड irregular object are those object which do not have fixed shape जसको fixed shape हुँदैन you can write the definition as well those object which do not have fixed shape and size you can say shape जसको fixed shape हुँदैन for example I have given you one example before stone ल अरु example भन्नुस् त के छ irregular को जस्तै wood leaf etc these are the shape of the surrounding objects other shape also we have found we have red cone shape triangle shape square shape cylindrical shape in our mathematics but here we are going to learn only these terms in class 2 okay so these are the various types of shapes okay the materials around have various shape what are they spherical circular rectangular irregular understood these are the shape of the materials around us okay so let me give you some surrounding examples or surrounding objects and you have to guess it okay are you ready okay I would like to show you this book now students tell me what is the shape of this book yes the shape of book is rectangular हेर्नुस् त कुन shape मा छ rectangular shape मा छ all right so what is the shape of this leaf do you know what is the shape of this leaf we don't know है leaf को यो shape यो आकार छ जुन shape छ we don't know the shape of leaf that's why it is regarded as a irregular object means it do not have fixed shape okay which shape is this is irregular object it do not have any shape okay same like I want to show here I have duster okay this is a duster so which shape is this it is also rectangular okay so surrounding object that you have you can compare it you can see the what shape okay you can see ball titty ball earth okay you can see all the object and please try to compare it and try to find out in a practical way है हजुरको ओरिपरि हेर्नुस् त एकचोटी के छ what you found just compare it and ask to your mother ask to your friends ask to your parents okay about the shape of that object understood clear so this much for today's class before leaving I would like to give some homeworks for you okay so please do it seriously and sincerely at home okay so write down the homeworks okay what is the shape of your bed okay ल हजुरको बेड को शेप चाहिँ भन्नुस् what is the shape of your bed okay you have to write the shape of your bed next question which part of our body find taste Okay, which part of our body find taste? Which part of our body find taste? Okay. Likewise, name any four spherical circular object. Name any four spherical and circular objects that's around you. Okay, thank you class, this much for today. We will see you in next class.